Going on, everybody? Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm going to be making a video on my exhaust for my truck, 2022 F150 with the 3.5 liter EcoBoost. It's all factory exhaust, but it's black appearance package, so it's got the tips out the back. Sorry if it's a little shaky, it's a little windy today, and I'm using my tripod. But it has in place of the factory muffler, I replaced it with a 3-inch in dual out Black Widow race Venom. The back part is 2.5 out dual, but it's all single into the muffler, 3-inch, and then 2.5 inches to those black tips at the back. I'm gonna go start it up now. Have it. It doesn't drone at all. I think it sounds pretty good, but everybody has their own opinion. I really like it. It's nice and quiet inside. You don't even hear the exhaust. So that's going to be the end of that, and please like and subscribe if you want to see more. Now, this is not a Mustang video, but I haven't had any videos of the exhaust on this truck yet. The exhaust has been on there, or that muffler, I should say, has been on there for probably a year now, and I really like it. So go like and subscribe if you want to see more content from me. And I don't do any editing, so I'm not very tech savvy with all that. But if you like what you're seeing, please like and subscribe again. And I'll catch you all later. Peace.